Slide changing. This is the cams.
Cam. This is the opposite cam.
So you.
This is according to it's on or off. This is on now. for instance.
Means now these are three operations. This.
No, but this operation for separation.
Separation.
This is for stator coil all. This is rotor.
Okay. So first it punches.
Punching first. Later,
And then this and this,
this
these
is
two.
on. This is together because it's the same block. This goes back and this goes up. And doing the separation and rotor propelling operation.
What is the purpose of this?
This is the
internal guide pins.
Right.
That's
this is this works like that. This is lower here up to because this is goes up to down here. The reason is this when this on going up, there must be a surface to touch because you have to strip take what to say strip it.
Let us strip the pumpkin.
This is the
So this is locked onto this. I think the cam may be in the middle position.
this is the part touching the surface with the blank. This is lower cutter. This is the it's like that.
So this is the lower portion,
That's the
and
line,
this is the top side. Okay. So now, does it have any carbide parts?
No, we don't.
No.
We are
The test tool.
This is only a test tool.
Let's say what to say.
Is it D2 material?
making Trials. How to say?
testing tool.
Testing the motor. I mean,
Okay. And this is, what do you call this?
this is
It's a cylinder.
Cylinder.
Cylinder. Okay.
It's pneumatic.
Pneumatic cylinder.
Of course, the real tooling is much more compact and much